the president of this country, Nigeria, the Senate president of this country, the upper chamber, the red chambers and the green chambers. If you think nothing is happening because you have security all over you, army people, the police, the all manner of gunmen that are guiding you, if you think that because of it you are free in this country, you should go and think again. You should go and think again. Go and think. Because you people have lavished this country. That this country will not have a repair again. What am I saying? The way and manner you people are operating in this country is very, 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 very disheartening. It is very shameful to a country that is growing to become a modern standard state. This is not how to grow. Let me tell you. Anyone under the sound of my voice should bear me witness to this. I stand vehemently and can defend it. The police have failed. The army has been overwhelmed. At the end of this broadcast, I'm going to show you a video at the end. You see that the army has been conquered. Do you know what it takes for a police or an armed officer to be robbed of his AK-47 or AK-49 or any of his rifles? That is almost a death sentence. That implies that no amount of armed men that can take or cut away an arm that belongs to a uniform officer. But what are we seeing? You are going to see on that video that if I am saying that the army has been conquered, it is not only one ammunition. It is not one AK-47. If it is to be normally the way it's supposed to be, all these armed officers that are handling this armored car and the arms are supposed to be in jail by now. But now, they are not going to be in jail because the water have spoiled from the beginning. That armed men have conquered, even taken away a war van. When I talk of war van, and full of ammunition, shouting Al-Hakobaro, Al-Hawakobaro. You see, the Nigerian army have failed. And listen, you are going to watch the video at the end of this video. Please make sure that you subscribe to this channel. So what am I saying? If you think you are the president, the deputy president of this country because you are wallowing around the state, around the country with armed men, remember, power did not stay where it comes. One day you will come down. And people you have done evil will come after you. Listen, if you fail to develop this state, I know you people had nothing in mind for this country to develop. You have nothing in mind. If not, we would have started seeing the handwriting on the wall. But let me tell you, it is better you resign and be on a safer side so that somebody who is capable enough will handle this country. And this country will revive again. Because I am not seeing anything that will make this country grow again. Except by the grace of God. That not even by the grace of God, not even by prayers. That all of them who stood against this country will be eliminated totally. From A to Z, who stood against this country, embezzling the fund, giving unjust things to this country will be eliminated. That is when you see this country will be fine. The Senate, if you think you are in a bulletproof car that is bought for 150 million or 200 million because power is in your hands, don't feel relaxed. The way the army, the police of Nigeria is overwhelmed is the way your security will be taken away from you, even when you are in office. If they come for you, you will not go. Because the army, they took their vehicle, armored car, armored tank that has bullets, has bomb, has grenade and all the rest, could not attack them. It is not you that is going on Hilos fan that you will not be attacked. Bear it in mind. So anything you are doing in this country that you need to do now, make a law now to overwhelm those people who are fighting against this nation. Boko Haram, insurgency everywhere, unknown gunmen, settle it now. If you don't settle it now, if you don't make a law to make sure that this insecurity is put to an end, it will affect you tomorrow. You are going back home. You will not stay long. The senators, if you think that you are in the Senate house now, when you come down, what you have done will follow you. I am telling you the truth. If you like, take it. If you like, let your heart boil like hot water. I don't even care. You can go and hug transformer as much as I care. What I am telling you is that all this drum of war you people are hitting, this gong you people are hitting so hard on the people. You don't want to make a law that will make the people feel good. You don't want to bring the price of petrol. You don't want to bring down all the unnecessary taxes that you have levied on people. Look at commercial banks now is lending money to people with 37.5%. 37.5%. Is it how people will survive? And you people are still giving people taxes, bringing all manner of taxes. People are doing BVN, doing NIN with huge sum of money, 6,000. Some collect 10,000. Something that is supposed to be free. The tax people pay is supposed to cover all of this to give people national identification card. But they are still paying. All this money, where is it going to? While people are still living in a city that has no access road. If you are traveling, you are just sojourning to a world that you don't know whether you will return because of bad road. Everywhere is accidents. And you are comfortable with your family. Remember, this country you are saying belongs to everyone. When you finish, you will come back home. Where are you going to live? Is it on the air? You will live on the ground. Be good to the people on your way up. You're gonna meet them on your way down. That's the way it is. Bear this in mind. This is from a prophet, 𝐸𝐞𝐬𝐿. May his soul rest in peace. Be good to the people on your way up. You're gonna meet them on your way down. That's the way it is. If you think you have climbed, there are people waiting for you on the ground. My name is Ambassador Single Edwin, your prophet in disguise, who said I will not stop crying until things are done right. If you like, do what is right. If you don't want, do what is not right. But the Bible says, let he who does evil continue with his evil. And let he who is doing good continue doing good. But in the time of acceptance, the time of judgment, he will judge against the good and the bad. Glory be to God. And thank you for watching. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
The video we are watching depicts member of Boko Haram, a military group in northern Nigeria, celebrating what they perceive as victory over the Nigerian army. In this video, they can be heard chanting praises to God, expressing their belief and divine support on their side. Additionally, they were proclaiming their intention to defeat the Nigerian army and the government, declaring that they will continue to triumph with God's help. If you are watching Voice TV Nigeria for the first time, please do well to subscribe, like, share, and follow us on all our social media platforms.
والجهاد بإذن الله تعالى. الله أكبر. والجهاد الله أدرتامو تاغوت نيجيريا من كيسو. الله أكبر. والجهاد بإذن الله تعالى. الله أكبر. تاغوت نيجيريا الله أدرتامو. الله أكبر. Allah ba mu nasara, Allah mu kansu.